Welcome to today's recording. We invite you to sit back and relax and share a quick bite with DuraSpace. No more than you can chew in a 3-minute broadcast focused on current topics of interest. Today's host is Michael Giarlo, Technical Manager and Software Architect from Stanford University Libraries. Take it away, Mike.
Thanks, Carissa. Getting complex systems with complex data to interoperate is a tricky problem. This is what the Portland Common Data Model, or PCDM, aims to do for interoperable data models, which are useful in many contexts, including digital repositories. PCDM will be used to build the data models in the feature-rich, next-generation, Fedora-based digital repository, Hydra-in-a-Box. Interoperability of data, or seamless reuse, is PCDM's primary objective, and this is only achievable to the extent that systems can exchange, interpret, and operate on that data. The Hydra-in-a-Box repository will store all deposited content as modeled in PCDM to facilitate reuse of data by other tools that understand PCDM. PCDM, named for the city of Portland, Oregon, where 2 critical meetings were held to advance community development of common data models, is an abstract data model that provides a consistent baseline for modeling data, building atop a small number of basic primitives, those being collections, objects, and files. PCDM also includes community-developed extensions for ordering, file format types, rights, and use types. PCDM is a solid data model for interoperability in part because it is based on the Resource Description Framework, or RDF, a widely used framework for building data models, and because it makes use of existing ontologies and vocabularies such as Dublin Core Terms, OAI Object Reuse and Exchange, Web Access Control, and the Linked Data Platform. In addition to interoperable repository content, PCDM aims to establish a framework that developers of software tools can converge on to build models and express metadata in a way that's aligned with the larger repository, linked data, and World Wide Web communities. This allows developers to base their work on a growing ecosystem of shared open source code. Work on PCDM has focused on structural metadata and access controls, and there are now working implementations in production in the Hydra community and in development in the Islandora community. PCDM is an organic, community-based initiative, and to get involved you have a few options, including joining the PCDM Google group, following the development of Islandora 7x2x, or installing a Hydra application based on Curation Concerns or Sophia 7, which will be used as the basis for Hydra-in-a-Box. Thank you.
This quick bite is brought to you by DuraSpace. DuraSpace works collaboratively with organizations that use DSpace, Fedora, and Vivo to advance the design, development, and sustainability of the project. As a nonprofit, DuraSpace provides business support services that include technical leadership, sustainability planning, fundraising, community development, marketing and communications, collaborations, and strategic partnerships and administration. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your time with us today. Submit a quick bite story idea by tweeting @DuraSpace #QuickBite. See you next time.